piece there, it's up.
Yeah.
And this one here is the top and the bottom. These are your sides.
Yeah.
Right here, these are going to be your sides. You want this nice smooth edge facing out, the smooth edge facing out.
Yeah.
This rough edge will be the back. Right there, see how the difference is? That'll be the back going towards the wall. And behind our little short, he calls it dowels. Alright. Number 3s are I guess it's okay. Yeah, you're right. Yep, you're right. I'm on. That was exactly what I was going to do next. What was that? Here.
My next.
Okay, you got a hold over there. I'm at a bad angle here, but we'll improvise. You're a lot better to have done this on like a workbench, but that's okay.
But at least this is better than the other. I told you. You're telling me that.
Here, let's make it just a little there, though. You got it. You're right. Yeah, that's a high up, okay? There you go. Perfect. Leave it just a little loose, not a lot, just a little. Be careful. And behind your elbow, behind your elbow.
Why don't you just other way around?
Oh, just here, there's a joint, and the instructions here. The instructions here. Here's where you're going to have to do your tapping.
Yeah, but it's straight and
I know, that's where I'm going to be using the screw.
Oh, okay.
See here, right there.
Oh, okay.
The top. This is where we're going to have to add the hammer.
Yep, nice.
I forgot the hammer at work. That's my fault. That's okay. I can improvise here. Right here.
Oh, careful.
All right. Your food. At
know.
air dryer or air fryer. Excuse me, air dryer. Yeah, the air dryer. Yeah. The air fryer. I had Gene when you went to the restroom, folks.
Yeah.
It's not tightening up as tight as it should. Yeah, it's going to be kind of flimsy, unfortunately. I hate to say
No,
that.
because it doesn't have yet the no.
I know that. I know that.
Support.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Support.
We'll do
The
that.
second floor.
Yeah, something of that sort.
Next.
Yep, we already done step 2, now we're going to step 3.
Oh, here.
Yeah, yep.
I get it.
Here, behind me, right here.
Hi.
Right here, that's your bottom piece. That's your bottom piece, though.
Okay.
See, now we need to use the longer dowel, right here.
Number now.
Dowel.
Dowel?
Yes, dowel.
What's spelling?
A dowel, like a little wood, like a center shaft.
I hate to, because if it's only your face, you know.
Well, that would scare people, huh?
No. Because see your nose, you're pointed now.
For them, huh? I appreciate those flowers. Use that tap that in there so it keeps it snug.
Wala, oops. Wala kaming ano market guys. Pero ano, if we're going to use the hammer, it will be,
Kind of louder,
and
yeah.
also it will broken.
Yep.
Just like the other one.
Yep.
You use heavy. And guys. Mahal siya guys. It's expensive. It's expensive. So, pero okay naman to. Kesa naman yung ano.
Hi.
What the?
You like that sound effects, do you? Oh, that's all right. That's only because of good food, that's all. Good food, you can keep feeding me. That's why you have the diet and you're losing weight and I'm gaining weight.
Just not right. Like,
Get the line up in there?
I did.
You didn't?
I did.
We're going to have to get the bathroom, because man, I'll tell you what, I'm
I know.
getting too much in my hands.
I know, because it's been 2 weeks.
You're all right.
I did.
Let's stay off that topic and keep on the topic we're supposed to be discussing.
No, it's alright.
So I don't get
Sometimes,
sidetracked. I get sidetracked right now.
We already tried this how many times to assemble it, but it's already late. It's late, around 2 a.m. and it's not right to...
I make a lot of noise for the neighbors.
Correct.
I feel that's kind of my fault. My late
No.
hours at work, and I put it on you then. You're wanting to try to keep up with your video. Vlog?
Yeah, actually I've been bugging him too about everything because he's my lead actor, and of course he's a VIP. That's like, no.
Yeah, well, then I need to be like a regular movie actor, and I need to make demands, you know, and get bigger pay raise.
Next is, and because I knock, he also prepared.
I didn't prepare. I just got started.
I started.
I was doing the starting.
Cooking?
Yes, correct.
Because I don't know, thank God I didn't wake up. If not, when I wake up, it's
Oh
time
my
to
God,
eat.
your kitchen will be burned down. Like, what are you doing in my kitchen, old man?
So actually I just woke up. Where is it next? It's small. Actually there's a bigger shelf than this that I'm still trying to figure
Long dowels. Take the long ones. The long ones out. Long.
figure the space of the apartment para hindi masyadong
Me too.
oh yeah. There's 9 actually it's bigger. Pero ano, I just get the smaller one kasi I'm still trying to figure out the space.
Yeah, we don't have much room. That's not your fault. That was
No,
me when I first got here long before you came in my life. So I was trying to get an apartment that was just something simple, quick, blah, blah, blah. At that time.
I know, it's alright.
Well, the time I got this apartment, Topo, I was just homeless, living in my truck. So I was just trying to find something quickly. So had nothing to do with you. I mean, I was thinking like you. We got our house in the Philippines got 2 bedrooms and kind of upstairs, downstairs. We got more room. Here, I did the long screws in 2 of those, please. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah, but this is alright because we don't have a baby yet, so 1 bedroom is fine. But everyone is asking for a home tour, a house tour.
Here? Oh,
and I said, God, no. Maybe if we already did the cleaning.
Maybe during this holiday, we can get things
Figure
back and
out.
clean. The closet. You remember you asked me about my side of the closet?
Yeah.
You've already done your side.
Yeah.
And we can do that about that one big box. It's like a portable closet. We can move that out and then clean my side up so that
Everything.
you have a better room in your closet. You can video that too, then possibly.
Yeah, oh my God. You heard it, guys? So
I
have a
call it
proof.
video. I volunteered.
I have a proof, right?
Yeah, you gotta have video evidence. Uh-oh. Now I'm in trouble.
Actually, we still have 2 videos to film, but because it's already late, and I don't know, I want that who's more likely. I really want who's more likely, and the other one, but
Let's get dinner. And maybe
I know.
if I haven't fell asleep on you, I'll go sit down
no,
with
this is much easier. I told you, right, my husband does my makeup. I like that too.
you. Ooh.
Such revenge.
You sure you want me to do that?
Yeah. For sure, I'm
Let
gonna.
me get that army makeup. I'll get the army makeup. You'll be all ready for combat.
Oh, God, it's fine, it's fine.
We're getting there.
Sige. Sorry guys, kasi medyo makalat itong apartment kasi hindi ako nilinis inside. Oops. Sa ano, pagbibili ng ano.
Come back here. Careful.
Yeah, maybe I'll do better. Yeah, they can see your legs. What legs?
Yeah. Casper.
Oh, that's
Casper legs.
Yeah. That's easier, ano.
And you thought it'd be
Hard. I thought it was hard, guys, so. Kaya,
how many times when you were napping on the couch or in bed, I was reading and reading, trying to figure out these crazy instructions.
Oh, trial and error?
Yeah,
Okay,
only partial English, and I can't figure out the other 3-4 languages there.
Next is
Okay.
what do you need? This
Hang
one?
on. There, got that.
This one, upper or the side?
We're ready for the next step. Our next
Side.
step. Yep.
Oh, the roof. Ay, the roof. Top.
Yep. Yes. Thank you, folks.
Ayun guys, ang dami pala.
This is the wrong piece.
No.
I've done something incorrectly.
Why?
Looking at that, you should have a place to run the
Yeah.
screw up.
I think, no, you can just flip it around. Into,
See, we still have nothing.
screw.
See here, there's nothing here. There's nothing. That's what I was saying before. So I said these instructions get very confusing. We had there, right?
Yeah. No?
Now we have nothing.
How about this one? This one, this will be the bottom.
That's all cool. There.
That will be the
Those,
bottom.
the big screws. We're gonna leave them.
On me?
It should be 3.
That would be the bottom na lang asawa.
Yep.
I know.
The screwdriver.
Bottom or the top?
No, this will be your bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
Yan guys, medyo maliit siya pero at least I can put it there and to some of the books that I bought and some of
Different shows. I got sporting events shows. I had so many different things I had recorded also besides what I bought. So yeah, I had a really large collection before I come to the state of Washington. I had to throw so many things away, unfortunately. And then what little I had, I left behind. They were destroyed. I found out.
oh my god.
Up, see how high? I told you it was gonna be hypo. It'd be up here to your waist.
Yeah,
Well, for you
that's
now,
all right.
you're just a little bit above your waist. See there? Yeah, right there. Yeah.
That would be
So
fine.
that's gonna be right about here. Yep.
It's alright then.
Because this is the front. This is the front of
Yep.
it right here. Okay.
I'm gonna remove this one. I mean, move there. Okay.
Ouch.
Ayun guys.
Right here. So that what's over here.
Okay, there.
You were trying to help me in the other way. That's okay.
Blaming.
I'm the one that kept moving around on you. What's your hands there? That's these two. I knew these two go somewhere. See here? These.
Yeah.
Search my knees.
So we can help
That's all right. Hang on.
Yeah.
You're fine.
That's fine. There.
Okay.
There.
There. Let's start down here and work up.
Yeah. This way is enough.
Don't move yet, please. Just in there a
Oh.
little bit. Get it secure.
Oh, there's the code. Okay. BD. Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
AB.
Yep. Yep.
That's fine. I hate reading
And
instructions.
I went through and you see when I tried to mark it.
Yeah.
I tried to go over there with a marker.
Yeah.
I didn't do very good. I should have used that Sharpie marker.
Are you the one to do this?
No, I went over top of what they had. Over top of what they had. It was so light. You could hardly
Oh.
see it. So I kept saying, that's what I said a while ago, I had been double checking this even when you were asleep.
Oh, okay. See,
I kept looking over there trying to figure out, okay, what am I missing? What am I missing? Remember, when the first time we started this, I got kind of frustrated with myself because none of it made sense.
Hey. Actually, hey. Finally, it's not much room, but at least we can put our either the hooks.
Hey, I would stick with your books. And then we'll get you a smaller tank for your chairs. Or not chairs, your shoes over here.
Is that what we saw in the Lowe's?
Yeah, Lowe's. Or, try and be nice. We could do something similar like my sister-in-law, Debbie. What Debbie has over there. Then you have a place to sit down and you kick your
or
taking shoes off.
Yeah.
Yep. Then you have a place.
Expensive.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm looking for the in a wait the other IKEA.
Oh, yeah. IKEA's not going to be cheap. But the instructions, I guarantee you, it'll be a lot better. Way better. Oh, yeah. They will actually make sense and you'll be readable.
Yeah.
You might have more languages, but guess what? They will be readable to where you can pay attention and understand what it is you're doing.
Kasi guys, may nagustuhan ako ang parang sure pero upuan doon sa brother-in-law ko, at his brother's house, and I really like it kasi nga upo ka. Yun nga lang, when I looked that on Amazon, it's way expensive, IKEA. Actually, so I rather stick on it's not that cheap, but I think it's still worth it. Kasi ang lang naman, just like this, he said that it's so cheap. Pero for me, it's already expensive, around $35.
Yeah.
But it's still anyway, if you compare it to the other one that we bought from the other store. So, medyo okay siya. Hindi naman, wala namang bata magalambitin. There's no child to play with it, so it's fine. And then,
Yeah, sorry, got the goofy socks on.
it's cold kasi.
Well, that door still not sealed properly. You don't have to look about that. Whether the manager likes it or not, I'm going to have to put a seal around that doorway.
It's alright. Anyway, the last package that you sent, it's already in the Bupat LBP.
Good.
So maybe you're gonna receive it within this. I don't know. You haven't.
Today or tomorrow?
Yeah,
Later today?
Yeah, or tomorrow, I think so. But last time.
Well, you can let mommy know.
Yeah, I already
Let
told
mommy
her.
know to watch out for it.
Ayun guys. Oh, di ba? I can put my laptop here, this or the iPad.
There you go. Yep.
Ayun na guys. So, I thought it's that hard, kaya ano, pero hindi pa lang. He needs to do it a couple times to figure it out. Me, I think I tried twice, pero I hate reading instruction. I am the one who gives instruction.
Yeah.
There you go, yay! Thank you. Okay.
There we go. Ta-da. Yeah, back pieces.
Yeah.
I can...
Hoy, like hoy. Yan guys.
What?
Ayan. He gonna put. Ayan guys. Oh, it's nice.
Let me forget.